Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we explore all things amazing. And today we're diving into the world of Amazon, your one-stop shop for everything under the sun. Get ready to discover the extraordinary every single day with Amazon. All right, guys, imagine a place where you can find pretty much anything your heart desires, from gadgets to fashion, beauty products to home essentials. Amazon truly spoils you for choice with its diverse range of products. It's like a treasure trove of endless possibilities. Now, let's talk convenience. Browsing and shopping on Amazon is a breeze. With just a few clicks on the website or tapping on the app, you can have your favorite items delivered right to your doorstep. And don't get me started on the fast delivery and easy peasy returns. It's like shopping nirvana. Who here is rocking that Amazon Prime membership? Prime members, you know the perks. Lightning fast shipping, exclusive deals, and hello, Prime Video binge watching sessions. Oh, and let's not forget Prime Wardrobe, where you can try before you buy those trendy outfits. Now let's hear from the real heroes, the customers. Cue in the testimonials from the happy Amazon shoppers who swear by its fantastic customer service and seamless return policy. It's all about making sure you're satisfied, no questions asked. Time to shine the spotlight on Amazon's own goodies. Echo devices, Fire TV sticks, and Kindle e-readers. Seriously, Amazon's tech game is on point. And hey, did you know they're rocking it in the cloud services arena too? Innovators all the way. Big round of applause for Amazon's commitment to the environment. From investing in renewable energy to slashing waste, Amazon is all about keeping it green. It's like shopping with a conscience, you know? Kudos, Amazon. Let's talk community. Amazon isn't just about the big game, it's also supporting local businesses and communities. Programs like Amazon Smile and initiatives empowering entrepreneurs, they're making a difference beyond just the shopping cart. Folks, it's time to dive in and experience the extraordinary world of Amazon. Whether you need a new gadget, a stylish outfit, or some good old entertainment, Amazon has got your back. So get ready to shop, explore, and discover more with Amazon, because every day is an adventure. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notifications bell to stay tuned for more epic content. Check out Amazon's website or download the app for a shopping experience like no other. Thanks for hanging out with us today, and until next time, keep exploring and keep being awesome.